With this new improvement, staff members can easily determine if there are product add-ons associated to an appointment. On the schedule, right now we're in the day calendar view. I have 2 appointments sitting on the right-hand side for Ryan and 1 for Philip, and each of those have an add-on to it. To the top right-hand corner of the appointment, you will see a new icon that's in purple, and that is for the product add-on. If there are any add-ons for an appointment, this icon will appear. Versus if an appointment does not have a product add-on, this icon will not appear. If we hover over this, in the little pop-up icon on the right-hand side, we can also see a number associated with the number of add-ons. In this case, there is only 1 add-on for this specific appointment. If a staff member wants to see what add-on is associated to it within this calendar day view, they will simply click on this appointment to expand the appointment screen and determine what add-on is associated to this appointment. We're going to head on over to the week view. Within the calendar week view, we can see the exact same things as we saw on the day view, so not much difference there. If we head on over to the list view, on the list view, we do have an add-on column here now, and you'll see again the number that's associated to the number of add-ons for that appointment. So right now I have 1 add-on for this private session individual. If I hover over this number, I can see which add-on specifically is for this appointment. And in this case, it is the Premium Essential Oil Diffuser. I can see the associated cost, which is $15, and 0 minutes additional is required to be added onto this appointment. This feature is very useful for staff members to easily determine which appointments have add-ons and which ones do not, so that they can easily distinguish and prepare for any add-ons ahead of time before the clients arrive.